Running ads on Twitter can be a great way to reach your target audience, but sometimes you may encounter permission issues that prevent you creating campaigns or ads. Whether it's due to account restrictions, incomplete verification, or other reasons, getting ad access quickly is crucial for your marketing efforts so you don't waste time in that. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the fastest way to get permissions to create ads in Twitter ad account. So that is how you can grant access to create ad copies in Twitter ad account without any issues or without wasting any time. Hi, so we are on my screen and you might face an issue while creating the ads in your Twitter ad account. You can create anything but not able to create ad copies, then there's an issue with the access. Your client must have granted you the admin permissions, but if he hasn't selected you allow you to create the ad copies, you won't be able to create the ad copies. So today in this video I will show you exactly how to change permissions, how to grant permissions to yourself so that you can create ad copies within Twitter ad account. So if client has granted you the admin access, you can easily do that from your side. You don't need client to do that for you. Since you have the admin access, so you can change each and every setting. So first of all, log in your Twitter ad account and select the right ID. There on the left hand side where you see the business name, click on that. There you can find the options. There's an option edit access to account. Click on that. Once you can click on that, it will take you to the access all the users and the access of those users. So there you can see you account administrator, but in these tools you can see a difference. Can compose promotable tweets, one have access to that and one doesn't. So that means this account won't be able to create or compose the tweets while second can do. So if you have admin access, you can easily click on add and there you can type your ID, anything. There you can select the, and there you have option to check so that it can compose promotable tweets. So that is how you can grant yourself edit access or access so that you can create the ad copies. I hope the information shared above was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.